Thinking about the things that we did. You did something. Shit like this don't happen too often. It's the way you put it down.
If you grab nothing, I'ma spend the night. Think that I love you every day. That my dance, use my money, I go pay. For your love, I go pay. It ain't making my DJs. I feel it for you every day. When you fall, run it back on me, play. For your love, I go pay. For your love, I go pay.
Hey guys, so I'm in Target right now with bags and stuff. Let me show y'all. So they got like, these are the cheaper options for like book bags and lunch boxes. But that's really cute. And it's like a set. And they also have the water bottle to go with it. So it's just actually cute. I just flip that. And you can hold it. They also have this. This is really cute too. This is like a bento box for your lunch or whatever. And then these are more like the boy ones, stuff like that. This is like the more fancier option for the book bags. They have JanSport as well as over there. Right here is the folders. Y'all, Target is great during back to school season because their stuff is always on sale, as you see. 50-cent folders, you cannot get no better than that. So this is my senior year of high school, y'all, so I'm not gonna need too much, but I'm gonna kind of show y'all some of the essentials that I will be getting. So we're gonna pick out, I don't really have a color theme, y'all. I'm gonna just do like, maybe, it's so hard to pick. Okay, we're gonna do black. I'm only gonna need about one folder, so we're gonna do black. In the basket. So they have a bunch of color options, but I guess we're just gonna stick to black. And here we go. Hold on, let me come back, y'all. It's so crowded and so many people. Here's the pens, pencils, and like I said, Target's pricing is always really good, y'all. So I don't really use wooden pencils. I kind of stick to mechanical pencils. So that's what we're gonna do. These are 50 cents, as y'all can see. Yeah, these are so cute. They have little JanSport like backpack keychains. They're $15. I'm not sure what you would put in it. I have that one and cheetah print. This is cute. I'm not sure what water bottle I'm going with this year, but this is so cute. They also have it in a clear option. Okay, y'all, so here are some more spiral notebooks they have. These are up and up. Also 99¢. I think I'm just gonna go with the one this year because I really don't need much. Here's like the pens. We got all the pens and scissors. Got these are 99¢, big pens. I'm kind of showing y'all like a cheaper version, so y'all should definitely come to Target. Y'all can see they got all the stuff, so I'm gonna get these. For y'all, we just have like the scissors and all that. For $9.99, and as y'all can see, the rest is filled out. So my Target is kind of whiteboards. Keep yourself organized during school. You could write down assignments, tests you got for the week. Keep this in your room to remind yourself. Show y'all these yet, but they got like the big ones, and then they have small options also. They have small options also. So these are $4.99. It's so cute. This was just sitting up there, but this is a cute option for a pencil box. Don't mind my nose, y'all. Look at this. This is just a simple pencil pouch. $5. Last year I did a back to school giveaway. I will put the link in the description below so y'all can go back and look. But if y'all want me to do another one this year, let me know. Binder. This is so cute. And it's big and spacious. I don't think it's in the right spot. I'm not sure how much. These are like all the water bottles they have now. So this brand is all in motion. This is a cheaper option for $10 if you want this, you know, a simple water bottle. I don't know. Oh yeah. So.
You wanna be, or art thou? Why not upon with me? See it in my mind.
I'm looking for like the little ones with the straws. But that's what I keep searching for the candy. I put this on. Okay, y'all. So that's all my Target has right now. I might give y'all a part 2. We are on the road to 10K. I'm about to go check out my school supplies, y'all. I'm gonna start like a little back to school series, so stay tuned for all them videos. I'm gonna do an emergency kit video. We're gonna do another back to school shopping. We're gonna do clothing back to school shopping. So stay tuned and make sure to hit that subscribe button.